You guys absolutely loved my Energy Bites recipe. So today I am going to share with you yet another flavor, and that being, get ready for it, you guys, Oreo cookie. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where I'm sharing with you healthy versions of the foods that we love. And today I'm going to be adding to my recipes for those energy bites. Perfect little snack or dessert, you guys, because it is nut and seed based. The recipes that I share with you, if you're not just seeing the video, I will leave it in the card above. But the recipe that I made for you before, just as I'm doing today, you guys, it has no sugars in it. It has no preservatives in it. And once again, it's nut-based and seed-based. And it's absolutely perfect to boost your protein as well as to boost your energy. And today, you guys, I'm so excited about this recipe because growing up, absolutely loved Oreo cookies. And that is the flavor that I will be sharing with you today. But stay tuned to the end because I will also be sharing with you a recipe or tip on how to take this recipe and make it into more of a decadent dessert. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, everyone, I have already added to my bowl my ground up nuts, and just choose nuts that you prefer. I'm using a mixed nut here. And as a matter of fact, I ran low on my nuts. So what I did is I added in some flax seeds, some pumpkin seeds, and some sunflower seeds. Put it into my NutriBullet. That's what this looks like here, and ground it up until I had a very fine consistency. Now at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to continue to add in our ingredients. And if you watched the first video, you know that the base ingredient is a combination of the nuts along with some powdered sweetener. You definitely do want to use powdered sweetener. Otherwise, you're going to get like that grainy texture in your finished product because it's not baked. So add that to the mix. The other thing that I add in to boost your protein content is some protein powder, and this is vanilla flavored. So add this in. Pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Now this is the base recipe, so let's go ahead and give this a mix. All right, so next what we want to do is we want to add in our black cocoa powder, and this is what gives this recipe its Oreo cookie flavor. Okay, everything is well combined here. And at this point, you can go ahead and taste it for the level of sweetness as well as the level of Oreo cookie flavor. Now that I've got this ready, let's go ahead and add in our wet ingredients, which is going to help these balls form and hold together. And those being, I've got some almond butter here. And next, I have some sugar-free maple syrup. And combine. Okay, this is a great consistency. As you can see, it's not too wet, it's not too dry, and when I press it together, it does hold together. So when I form these balls, everything will stick together just as I need it to. Now, if it was too wet, you guys just add some more of the ground up nuts. If it's too dry, then add some more of sugar-free maple syrup and or this nut butter. It is time to form our little bites here. Now you can very well just, after you form them, put them on a parchment lined sheet. I've got this little candy mold here, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. And I've got my ice cream scoop. Real simple. Put some in. Press it, which will help form the shape. Just like that. Okay, release it into your hand. And again, we are almost there as far as the shape is concerned. Okay, let's press it together. Just like that, you guys. And into the candy mold it goes. And I'm going to continue on until I get through with all of my batter. All right, off to the fridge this goes for about an hour, and I will see you then. This Energy Bites recipe works whether you're following a low carb or keto friendly or gluten free or reduced sugar diet, or you're one that just does not like to cook, this is absolutely perfect. So, you guys, if you're interested in learning how to make other healthy versions of the foods that you love, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. And as promised, to take this recipe, which is already delicious, to an all new level of deliciousness, what you can do is take some chocolate, melt it with either some coconut oil. I've got a dessert olive oil here. Put it in the microwave, 20-second increments until you get a nice liquidy consistency such as this. Then you take your little energy bite here. Put a toothpick right through the center, just like that. And then proceed to coat it in some chocolate. And this reminds me of kind of like one of those donut holes that you get from a very famous donut shop. Oh, just fell off. Anyway, take that, roll it around in the chocolate until you get it nice and covered, and then put it on something just to hold it in place until it firms up. Just like that. All right, you guys. So tell me if you like it, if you love it, and you want to see more, please do subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and please do share. And as always, you guys, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special and enjoy. That's good.